Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1. Subject is English. Dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we will learn Unit 2, Lesson 3, and the story name is The Hungry Monster. Do you know what hungry means? When you feel hungry, it means you want something to eat. You want to eat. And who is monster? Monster is a big animal that is ugly and frightening. Yes, people are afraid of monster. Now I'll show you a monster. Oh, look at this monster. This is a big monster. You know, a monster. What's the name of this monster? Mango Jango. You know, its name is Mango Jango. Look at this monster. He has two ears. And he has two wings. Yes, he has two wings. It means he can fly in the air. Yes, he can fly. And you know how many legs does a monster have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 legs. Okay, a monster has 6 legs and a long tail. A long tail, blue color. Okay, what are the color of monster wings? Green. What are the colors of monster ears? Red. And what is the color of monster's tail? Blue. Yes. Now let's get started our story. This is Mango Jango. He is a monster. Read. This is Mango Jango. He is a monster. He has red ears and green wings. He has red ears and green wings. This is a Mango Jango. He is a monster. He has red ears. Look at this picture. He has red ears and green wings. He has a long blue tail. Yes, he has a long blue tail and 6 legs. Yes. Read all these sentences again. This is Mango Jango. He is a monster. He has red ears and green wings. He has a long blue tail and 6 legs. Now students, tell me, how many legs does a monster have? How many legs? 4 legs. 5 or 6? Yes, 6 legs. And how many ears does a monster have? You are right, 2 ears. Okay. And how many wings does a monster have? 2 wings. And tell me, what are the color of monster wings? What are the colors of monster wings? Yes, green color. And what is the color of monster's tail? Red or blue? Yes, you know, this is a tail. Blue color, very nice. Good. Yes, look at this picture. Do you know she is Sarah and she is Fiza and he is Ali? You know, she is Sarah, he is Ali, she is Fiza. Oh, look at this monster. He is sitting beside the sofa set. You know, Sarah is looking at the monster. Now, what will happen in the story? Let's see. Here are Sarah, Ali, and Fiza. Sarah, Ali, Fiza. Sarah and Fiza are sisters. Both are sisters, and Ali is their brother. They are all at home. Read all these sentences again. Here are Sarah, Ali, and Fiza. Read after me. Here are Sarah, Ali, and Fiza. Sarah and Fiza are sisters. Ali is their brother. Ali is their brother. They are all at home. They are all at home. Now, what will happen next? See. Sarah sees the monster. Oh, Sarah sees the monster. Look, this is a big monster. She is afraid. Oh, Sarah is afraid of the monster. She gets scared. She is afraid. Help! Help! She says, help! She says, there's a monster. Sarah says, help! There's a monster. Now you know, Sarah is running away. She runs away because she is afraid of monster. So she runs away. Is Sarah afraid of monster? Yes, she is. Dear students, Sarah is afraid of the monster. So she runs away. Now let's see what will happen next. Then Ali sees the monster. He's afraid too. He gets scared. Like Sarah, he's afraid of the monster. Help! Ali says, help! There's a monster. There's a monster. And you know Ali is running away. Ali runs away because he is afraid of the monster. He runs away too. Ali runs away too, like Sarah. Both are afraid of monster. Both get scared and they run away. Sarah and Ali run away. Oh, what will happen next? Look at this picture. You know, this is Fizza and this is a monster, Mango Jango. And you know, Fizza is holding a glass of water. I think Monster feels thirsty. Yes, Monster feels thirsty. He wants some water. Let's see. The monster looks at Fizza. Look at eyes of monster. He looks at Fizza. The monster looks at Fizza. Can you help me? He asked. Can you help me? I'm very thirsty. I'm very thirsty. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. And you know, Fiza is a good girl. She is not afraid of monster. Fiza isn't afraid. Isn't is not. Fiza is not afraid. She is bold. She is brave. You know, here you are. When you give something to anybody, you say, here you are. When she is going to give a glass of water, she says, here you are. She gives him some water. Fiza gives Monster some water. Thank you, says Mango Jango. Mango Jango becomes happy. She says to Fiza, thank you. When anybody gives you anything, you always say thank you. Okay? Now, what will happen in the story next? See, he drinks the water. Then Mango Jango drinks the water. Now, read all these sentences. Fiza isn't afraid. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He drinks the water. Now look at this picture. Oh, look at these mangoes. This monster is holding a mango, yellow mango, and Fizza is looking at this mango. Okay, now read. The monster looks at Fizza. Again, monster looks at Fizza. Can you help me? He asked. He asked again. Can you help me? Monster asked, can you help me? I'm very hungry. When you feel hungry, it means you want to eat something. Yes, Mango Jango says, I'm very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. He says to Fizza, please give me some mangoes. Hmm, here you are. When Fizza gives some mangoes to Mango Jango, she says, here you are. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you. Mango Jango says, thank you. He eats the mangoes. Yes, Mango Jango eats the mangoes. Read all these lines. Here you are, she says. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He eats the mangoes. Now what will happen in the story next? See, the monster is happy now. You know, he has drunk water, he has eaten mangoes, so the monster is happy now. Yes, the monster is happy now. He is very sleepy too. Yes, now he feels sleepy. He is going to sleep. He sits under the chair. Yes, look at this chair. He sits under the chair. Then he goes to sleep. Then he goes to sleep. Good monster, says Fizza. Then Fizza says, good monster. Yes. Now, dear students, you have to do this activity. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. They are the words mango jango, run, green, water, mangoes, chair. Again, read this instruction. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Mango jango, run, green, water, mangoes, chair. Now see the example. What is the monster name? Very easy. I have told you. Mango Jango. Yes, his name is Mango Jango. What is the monster name? His name is Mango Jango. Now, number one, for you, what color are the monster's wings? Yes, recall the story. Hurry up. What color are the monster's wings? His wings are, tell me, green. Yes, his wings are green. What do Sarah and Ali do? You know, they are afraid. So they run away. So they run away. What does Fizza do? What does Fizza do? Third question, what does Fizza do? She gives him, recall the story, hurry up. What does Fizza do? She gives him some, hurry up, tell me. Water, yes, and mangoes. She gives him some water and some mangoes, yes. And the last question, what does the monster do? He goes to sleep. He goes to sleep under the chair. Yes, in the story you have read. He goes to sleep under the chair. I hope you will do. Now I am talking to your parents. Guidelines for parents. रीड द स्टोरी द हंग्री मॉन्स्टर विथ योर चाइल्ड। आप बच्चे के साथ इस स्टोरी को, द हंग्री मॉन्स्टर को बच्चे के साथ रीड कीजिए, उनको इन्वॉल्व करें अपने साथ, से रीडिंग सुने, पॉइंट टू ईच वर्ड ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू रीड आफ्टर यू। सेंटेंसेस पढ़वाइए, हर वर्ड पर आप जो है पॉइंट कीजिए, इशारा कीजिए बच्चे से, उसको पूछिए कि वो क्या पढ़े उस वर्ड को, उनकी रीडिंग को चेक करें। ये लिस्ट ऑफ रीडिंग वर्ड्स हमने दिए हुए हैं, इन वर्ड्स की ख़ास तौर पे प्रैक्टिस करवाइए, स्पेशली इनको डील कीजिए। हंग्री, एयर्स, अवे, थैंक यू, मॉन्स्टर, विंग्स, थर्स्टी, हैप्पी, मैंगो जैंगो, अफ्रेड, गिव, स्लीप। Now B. Ask these questions to check his or her comprehension about the story. Comprehension बहुत ज़रूरी होती है किसी भी स्टोरी में, किसी भी टेक्स्ट में, कि बच्चा उसको कॉम्प्रीहेंड कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, स्टोरी को समझ में आ रही है या नहीं आ रही। तो आप इन क्वेश्चंस के ज़रिए से उसकी कॉम्प्रीहेंशन को बच्चे की चेक कर सकते हैं। इज़ द मॉन्स्टर गुड और बैड? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। बुक में ये ऊपर लिखा हुआ भी है क्वेश्चन, जहाँ स्टोरी शुरू हो रही है, कि मॉन्स्टर गुड है या बैड है। तो डिस्कस करें बच्चे के साथ, बिकॉज मॉन्स्टर, आपने देखा स्टोरी में मॉन्स्टर ने हर जगह फिजा से परमिशन लिया, बच्चे को ये बताएं कि ही ऑलवेज टेक्स परमिशन, सो मॉन्स्टर्स बिहेवियर इज वेरी गुड, सो मॉन्स्टर इज गुड। Now number 2, how many legs does the monster have? Obviously, monster has 6 legs. Okay. Now you can ask, is Sarah afraid of monster? Yes, she is. Why does the monster take help from Feza? Because both Feza and Ali run away. Okay. So monster takes help from Feza, and Feza is not afraid of monster. Number 5. Is Fiza afraid of monster? No, she isn't. Number 6. What does Fiza give him? Fiza gives him some water and some mangoes. Part C. Ask the child to complete question B in the book at page 11. बच्चे से पेज नंबर 11 पर जो क्वेश्चन बी है उसको बुक में सॉल्व करवाइए। एक और बात अहम, कि आपने स्टोरी की रीडिंग, द हंग्री मॉन्स्टर की रीडिंग बच्चे से ज़रूर करवानी है, उसको रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करवाएं, जो हमने वर्ड्स दिए हैं उन वर्ड्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाइए। रीडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द चाइल्ड। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।